welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. This is your first time seeing me. Hello, my name is Diamond Janae here on YouTube. I do hair reviews, makeup videos, all that fun stuff. So if you're into that kind of type of stuff, definitely consider subscribing down below to your girl. Also, one thing that I will say and I'm very proud of is the fact that I not only do I do hair reviews, but I also do hair updates as well. So it's not like you're gonna see me plop on a wig and then never talk about it again. So you will be seeing, if you go along my channel, you do see wig updates here and there. So that's like one thing that I really proud myself in doing, because I don't really see that a lot here on YouTube. So I definitely want to continue doing that trend as well. As you guys can see by the title, today I'm going to be doing another affordable Amazon wig review for you guys. And this company in particular is by Ali Glossy. And I have their Brazilian body wave. It's technically a T-part wig, even though it doesn't really say in the description, but it's basically Brazilian body wave human hair lace front wigs for black women, 13 by 1 middle part lace frontal wigs, natural hairline 18 inches. Now, when the company first hit me up and I looked at the wig and the specs, I was a little bit like, because I never really heard of, like, basically this is a T-part wig, because basically what the way the construction is that you have lace down the middle and then you have the ear by ear lace, but like all this in here is tracks. Like, it's not lace or anything like that. It's literally tracks until like right here. So I feel like that's what they meant by 13 by 1, because at first I'm just like, well, what's the point? Like, I'm gonna do a flip over method type of thing, and even then you might see some of the tracks. Like, no, it's not like that. And I was like, wait, like I was so perplexed for a second. But basically you do get, I feel like you do get like a decent amount of parting space. Now, of course, I could have went in and plucked the part a bit more, but I kind of wanted you guys to see what I was really working with. But next time I will definitely go in and pluck the part, but you do get a very decent amount of parting space with this wig. So it's not like you're over here with like this little bit of parting space and it looks super wiggy. That's definitely not the case with this wig. I will also say as well, the lace along the line was actually pretty good as well. As you guys can see, like, this isn't a fresh install by any means. I've actually had this hair in, I would say, for maybe like 4 or 5 days. I like to either wear the hair right away and then do like a week update, or I'll wear the hair for a couple days and then maybe do like a month update. This particular wig, the way it worked out, I'm probably just gonna do like a month update later on, but it's not like looking like fresh. That's the reason why it's not like blended. If anybody was wondering, this is not a fresh install. I had this hair in for a few days. But yeah, so when I bleached the knot, like, as you guys, like, at least to me, I feel like the lace still looks a little on the brassy side. Now, mind you, when I did bleach the knots on this wig, the knots on this wig were freaking, I wouldn't say they were huge, but like, out of all the wigs that I've had and worn and still having like my wig box container type joint, this is probably like the biggest knots I've seen on a closure. I was a little bit scared because I'm just like, hold up. I was like, wait a minute, like, is this gonna work? Like, how is this gonna look? Like, I'm not trying to be looking crazy. So I wore this hair for Christmas, a little bit nervous, but I did. So I used white bleaching powder with 40 volume developer, and it actually didn't turn out that bad. I feel like it didn't bleach to like platinum blonde, but it did bleach enough to the point where I was able to blend it in fine. I feel like in a way I was lucky, because like my natural like undertones for my skin, I'm very warm, so it doesn't look crazy. But definitely I would say when the next time I will go in to wear this wig, I'll probably have to put like a layer of purple shampoo on it and let it sit for a couple minutes and then wash it, compared to me just washing the lace and washing the dye bleaching powder combination drawn, whatever you want to call it. I'll probably let the purple shampoo actually sit so it doesn't look as brassy, because it does look a little bit on the brassy side if you look like really close. So there's that. But other than that, it wasn't super crazy to bleach the knots. I will say I did leave the bleach on the lace for, I will say, about 2 hours and some change. Now, when it does come to tangling and shedding, I will say tangling on this wig is very minimum. I will say when it comes to shedding, it's not bad shedding at all, but I will say it's just a notch, like maybe like 2-3% more than minimum shedding. Like it does shed a little bit more, but it's one of those wigs that like when you fool around with it, you'll get some shedding. But once the hair is already styled and like say you like run your hands through it throughout the day, you're not really gonna be getting a lot of tangling. It's one of those things where it's like if you're manipulating the hair and you're styling it and stuff, you will see strands here and there, but it's nothing by all means that's like alarming. Speaking of the lace, I don't remember if I mentioned earlier, but this lace does come with transparent lace, so it's not brown lace or anything like that at all, which I was super excited about because y'all know me, I don't really care for brown lace all like that because it's like, did y'all hear that? I swear there's always something happening on my block. It's ridiculous. But anyways, as I was saying, the lace on this hair is transparent, so I really do like that. So it was definitely 10 times easier for me to blend it in to my skin compared to brown lace. Also, this unit in particular is actually $89, so it's under $100. So to me, that is very affordable for an 18-inch. I will say the only downside I have with this hair is honestly, I thought the downside was going to be like the party and whatnot, but that's not the case at all because for the most part, I like putting my wigs in the middle part anyways. But the only downside I would say with this wig, and that's not even like coming at the company, it's more like a personal preference, but to me this hair has 150% density. Now I personally, in email, like I tell my friends that like want to start getting into wearing wigs or like are shopping around for a wig, I always tell them if the hair is longer than 14 inches, make sure you go up. Like if it's like 10 between like 8 to 14 inches, you can definitely get away with doing 150% density. But in my personal opinion, anything longer than that, I'd rather go up to 180 or do 200 if I can, just because I like fuller hair. Like to me, this hair is an 18-inch, so I feel like this hair is a little bit on the thinner side. Again, it's not a bad thing per se, it's just my personal preference. So if you're the type of person that doesn't like a whole bunch of hair, then this wig will definitely be the wig for you, especially with this length. But for me, I like my hair to be a little bit fuller. Like I actually, because at first I was gonna straighten this hair, but then to me it didn't really, it looked kind of awkward, so then I just decided to do like some random like flat iron curls and it made it look a bit fuller. But literally all the hair is pulled to the front, so that's how that's looking. My necklace keeps going all over the place, but basically that's how it looks. I mean, I really like the way this hair looks. Like it definitely does look more on the natural side because of like the little wand curls and the hair is like not as thick. But again, my personal preference, I like my hair to be a little bit on the fuller side. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I hate, like I need, because for the most part I know how to do wig reviews because I've done so many of them before, but I feel like there's always something that I'm missing, and I would hate to have to sit down and try to film this again because I left something out. But I think I'm okay. Oh, I did almost forget something. I didn't show you guys exactly how long it was on me. So this is currently how long the hair is. So that's how long the hair is stretched out. Now if you guys are trying to use me as like a sizing reference, I'm currently 5'6". So I don't know why I keep saying currently 5'6", like I'm gonna keep growing. Like I probably was this height when I was like 13. But yeah guys, that's pretty much it. Of course, like I said before, I'm definitely gonna leave all the information down below, so if you guys were interested in purchasing this wig, bada bing bada boom, direct link down below to exactly what I got. If you guys want to change the inches and whatnot, by all means. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl down below. Follow your girl on all her social medias, which that will be linked down below as well. And yeah, I hope you guys have a great day or evening or whatever time you happen to be watching this, and I will see you guys in my next one.